Danke bafethu, nazi nginiphathele zona eze-Kaizer Chiefs. ULilepu ukuthi umazi kanjani umukoko lo bedlala ne-Orlando Pirates and then ama-players laphana ahlala kuma-grandstand we-Kaizer Chiefs ngizokhuluma ngawo. UHugo Broos ukuthi utheni nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ujabule ukuthi bayinokhe out laphana ku-Carling and then no-coaches be-Kaizer Chiefs ama-comment. And then I will also touch on uThulani Touch Mabasa ama-performances wakhe and then ngizokhuluma ngoBatman ne-situation yakhe yokuya ku-M_D_C. UGeorge Mahlo we-Kaizer Chiefs simbonile, he was mocking i-Orlando Pirates, emulator ubani player leli umukoko bafethu. So welcome to Nkuli Soccer bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula bafethu. But ngifuna ukumenshina nezinye before singena kulezi. UGeorge Mahlo simbonile amokha i-Orlando Pirates ashaya ahamba njengomukoko laphana behind the scenes. Abantu-ke ibathintile-ke lento le, especially ama-fans we-Orlando Pirates. Kukhulunywa ngokuthi sonibona e-stadium kwasha kwacima, sohlangana egrawundini. Ama-Orlando Pirates fans, they are deeply hurt by indaba George Mahlo ukuthi enze i-style sakamukoko. But the thing is, Orlando Pirates, they were mocking i-Kaizer Chiefs for some time bafethu. Let's be fair, even i-admin ye-Orlando Pirates laphana kuma-social platforms benze ne-video i-anime. So but that was celebrated by Orlando Pirates fanatics only for them ukuthi bangabi right. If uMahlo uyahambela nje, is just mocking them, there's nothing too deep ukuthi yenziwa even behind the scenes or ne-management involved. So yeah, it's sad, but it is what it is, man. It's banter, it's part of football. uThulani Touch Mabaso bafethu uthole man of the match laphana ku-D_C team. Is one of the players bambhekile umfana ukuthi adlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs senior team, but at the moment ngathi isikhala asikho kuye. That is why adlala phana ku-D_C team. Nginokumbona abamba nebhande lokuba yi-captain, but yeah, he's one for the future because isikhathi sisekhona. But abantu abaningi when they comment under ilo i-status sakhe or le post yakhe le yokuthi uthole man of the match, abantu bathi ama-coaches kumele abhelieve more kuma-young stars. But i-midfielder yaku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ilo kunzima. But-ke uyi-central midfielder, la kudlala khona kudlala abantu kuleya position, Ocele and then noNgcobo unokudlala. But-ke uThulani brings different versatility kuleya position le, ngoba uyakwazi ukumaka, which is something that's lacking from Ucele, that's lacking from uNgcobo. And uyi-good passer of the ball overall naye, so he's comfortable on the ball. Hopefully bazokwazi ukumnika opportunity isikhathi masiloke siya. UHugo Broos bafethu ukhulume nge-Kaizer Chiefs nange-Mamelodi Sundowns uthi ujabule. Yeah, okay, ithi ngibe kahle ukuthi abantu bayizwe. Uthi is glad whatever, is glad ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns ba-out of i-Carling because of ufuna isikhathi esi-enough sokuthi aziprepare-ele ama-player for i-AFCON. Uthi ukhulume ngokuthi ufuna boma-5, they have to leave 5 days before badlale namanye ama-friendly, izinto ezinjalo la ukhulumile ku-statement sakhe. But mina what I'm just paraphrasing from into ayishilo, but what I'm asking myself, or what I asked myself when I saw that, I was like, okay, right ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bayinokhe out, kusho ukuthi uzothola ama-player early because of ukuthi i-P_S_L ayi-collaborate neBafana Bafana isikhathi esiningi, right? But imaphi ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs azowaselect uHugo Broos? Imaphi ngempela? Sobona ukuthi uzosurprise or kanjani. Akusi-must ukuthi aselect ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs, but if the other players are performing well, and then kumele abanike i-opportunity laphana ukuthi nabafana badlale. Kune-injury kaLilepo le ayithole laphana i-game against le bebadlala na-AS Simba bafethu. But-ke sobona ukuthi uzokwazi ukurecover. I mean, uLilepo is not the first time athinteka laphana, but uyakwazi ukurecover. I-player eli-strong ngempela, i-player elikwaziyo ukuzirecoverela lona. Hhayi ukuthi ngoba uthintekile-ke manje ngeke asadlala, no, uyi-fighter, uyi-warrior overall. But yeah, kuthiwa kuzodiscussa o-doctor be-Kaizer Chiefs or yibo abazodicide ukuthi uzohlala ngaphandle noma uzokwazi ukubuyela after ukuthola leya knock leya. But-ke ucoach wakhe uthemba ukuthi akusinto mhlampe e-difficult noma ezomkhipha out. He's hoping that, but o-doctor bazosho. Kaizer Chiefs idlala kahle kakhulu obviously-ke. Okay, idlale kahle kakhulu in terms of ukushaya 3 goals. Ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs uthi it's the beginning of the story. Uyasho ukuthi uyabhiliva ukuthi lento lena into e-right kakhulu. Uthi abantu maybe akaka-realize kahle uthi but-ke bekakhuluma ku-post match interview laphana, but-ke uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs uthi naye ujabule kakhulu, uthi ukujabulele ama-fans kakhulu ababonile ama-fans ukuthi ababonile ukuthi bakora amagoli lawa abawakorile overall. Uthi they have struggled to enjoy overall, but-ke nje uyasho ukuthi with humility naye ujabule ukuthi baya-contribute-a kule history le enkulu kangaka e-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi isiqalo sezinto ezinhle kakhulu ukuthi ba-write i-history laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Uthi ujabule kakhulu for ukukhwalifaya baye kuma-group stages. Overall nje nanokuthi ujabulele nama-fans, ukhuluma nge-right mentality laphana from i-starting 11 se-Kaizer Chiefs, from the first minute laphana uyasho ukuthi abafana bebamisele ukuthi bakwazi ukudeliver ama-results. Uthe bebafuna ukuzama ama-combination a-different laphana, babe nama-players laphana azobanika leyo extra touch. Uthi iplayer elifana no-Ighodaro laphana libasize kakhulu bona eze-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi banenhlanhla ukuthi babe ne-striker esifana no-Ighodaro because of uyakwazi ukugxuma izinto ezinjalo, and then uyakwazi ukubasiza nje overall. Yeah, this is a big one for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ikwazi ukudlala i-continental level, right? It's congratulations to them. Yeah. I wanna touch on uHlompho Kekana. uHlompho Kekana izolo ku-Soccer Zone bafethu uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs they should be ashamed of themselves ngokungahloniphi ama-opponents. Uthi AS Simba kula game la njengoba bebedrebula o-cross bashayana ney'tayela, uthi uyazi ukuthi lento ifila kanjani. Uthi hhayi ihlazo nje ukuthi uyaluza abantu-ke they start showboating. Uthi-ke lento le ebenziwa i-Kaizer Chiefs into yakuma-Phillies game, into yakuma-Phillies game kusho ukuthi akusiyo into yaku-professional setup ukuthi yenziwe lapha ku-continental level. Uthi-ke it was highly embarrassing ukuthi iklabhu efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs or esezingeni le-Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga ngabe yenza lezi zinto lezi. I don't know man, ukuthi obviously lezi zinto zey'kili zidivide abantu, zidivide ama-opinion, but at the end of the day ushuka lento yase-South Africa, so it's part of i-identity yase-South Africa overall to get the fans going and ukuqala leyo buzz leyo. But abantu abaningi ku-professional setup they feel abantu ukuthi kumele babe ama-robot. No, ibhola lase-Brazil it became iconic because of showboating, and when you're showboating you're frustrating the fans. But also I'm not condoning lento leyo ukuthi okay kumele bayenze whatever form of disrespect ezibona as ama-professional nama-former professional players. I remember Sundowns ishawa i-Wits, I think 3-0 laphana ku-finally. I-Wits nayo they were doing that thing, obviously maybe took it from there. Even uPieter Msimane he didn't like izinto zama-showboating, then that time aluza ne-Wits. I remember even noma badlala nabo Zongo he didn't like it at all. But it's part of your identity, South African football. At the end of the day, you have to give something. You have to give ama-fans something bafethu ukuthi bajabule over at the end of the day. So it is what it is. Opinion yakhe ngeke ngiyi-oppose. Yeah, I just wanted to say nje ukuthi bekathini overall laphana. uKwinika, I think we have to give uKwinika ama-flowers wakhe naye bafethu. uKwinika akekho umuntu bekacabanga ukuthi uKwinika uzoba part ye-Kaizer Chiefs this season, especially last season beyashawa ibhenchi isikhathi eside, uqala ukudlala nje isizini just seyizophela, but-ke ukwazile ukulwela ama-results for i-Kaizer Chiefs, especially lama-game awu-2 against i-Orlando Pirates lawa alandelanayo. It was i-league first laphana FNB, and then it was i-Nedbank Cup laphana eMoses Mabhida, kula performe kahle kakhulu, and then he was rewarded nge-new contract. So umuntu akalahlwa bafethu. It's just a great story sakhe naye umfowethu ukuthi given an opportunity ukwazile ukuyithatha leyo opportunity because bokuyi-do or die for yena overall. I-Kaizer Chiefs, what am I thinking? I-Kaizer Chiefs abantu abaningi sebathi kumele badlale eDobsonville because of bawina eDobsonville. Kaizer Chiefs ayinama-plans okudlala amagame wawo eDobsonville bafethu okwamanje. They still use i-FNB because of bane-deal ne-stadium management ukuthi basebenzise i-FNB. I don't see Kaizer Chiefs isebenzise i-Dobsonville. They only used i-Dobsonville because of i-FNB be-occupied ngaleyo date leyo because akuseyabe i-FNB, right?
So khona abantu ababhukha sometimes in advance. Ngiyakhumbula ne-Orlando Pirates bafowethu idla i-movie game yayo away from i-Orlando because of bekunabantu sebabhukhe i-Orlando Stadium. That's the biggest problem we're dealing with, ukuthi abantu babhukha like i-Orlando Pirates ayi-own i-ground, so zonke lezo zinto lezo zi-affect-a ama-team ukuthi agcina ama-team aya kwenye indawo. For example, khona umuntu obhukhe i-Soccer City manje, let's say if mina ngiyayibhukha or i-F_N_B Stadium or Soccer City whatever, ngiyibhukhe manje, ngiyibhukhele let's say u-next year ngeyi-15 October, yabo ukuthi ngibhukha a year in advance. So noma kuthiwa badlala i-match engakanani, they won't take it because I was able to book it first. So yinkinga-ke enkulu bafowethu leyo ngalezi zinto lezi zama-ground. I wanna mention into encane engahlangene ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Kunomdlali la uKatlyn we-Santos bafowethu u-pregnant for 8 months manje, bekaloku ejima nje edlala ne-team overall, umdlali o-pregnant webhola. Just wanted to ukudlulisa lokho. Because I find it fascinating ukuthi you could possibly be pregnant and then udlale until uzothatha i-maternity leave yakho. Kurare ukuthi sibone abantu abakhulelwe abadlala ibhola. uDitejane bafowethu, Thuso Ditejane, former Kaizer Chiefs player esaziyo ukuthi wahamba kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, sekanabo man of the match abawu-2 laphana ku-Carling. Babashayile, yes, bashawa i-Golden Arrows if angilenzi iphutha. Uthole i-man of the match-ke, usho ukuthi nje in the past few weeks or days uthole 200,000 overall. Wavuka umfana. Yeah, it shows ukuthi i-quality analo bafethu, nanokuthi i-great player kangakanani overall, i-contribution yakhe laphana ku-TS Galaxy wenza izinto zenzeke in terms of superstar mfethu laphana ku-wing, akatatazeli, is comfortable on the ball, can take players on. Yeah, he's one of the good players. I mentioned ukuthi uLupopo why ngithi uMukoko wazi uhulo Lilepo bafethu, nasi isithombe sabo la baku-national team laphana ku-Congo. La bekungathi bengakahlanyi uMukoko cause naku bayazana noLilepo, kusho ukuthi it's not like ukuthi bayabangani but bebadlala ku-national team bonke overall. Before sibona lo Mukoko simbonile against Orlando Pirates, umuntu the trendiest man in South Africa, uzo-trenda for a very very long time e-South Africa, ukuthi u-right mentally noma akekho right laphana. Kunendaba-ke ephumayo la ukuthi i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs ne-technical team ngathi bayaclasha ngendaba ka-Luke Batman, ukuthi uLuke Batman aye ku-DDC team. Bathe bayiphozile kancane leyo nto leyo, bathi-ke basadiscuss-a ukuthi izomsebenzela kanjani uLuke Batman because of basayine uLuke Batman ukuthi adlale ku-first team. I think i-social media buzz nanokuthi abantu ku-social media bayayiphikisa le nto le, yiyo eyenza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-management ne-technical team kusho ukuthi bazame ukukhuluma ngale nto le ukuthi okay, is it the right move ukuthi uvele aye laphana ku-DDC team because abantu abaningi bayakuphikisa. There's nothing wrong ngomnika lawo ma-matches lawa few laphana ku-DDC team, but uthi sekuyiplayer nje la ku-DDC team ngoba usadevelopa, i-wrong leyo nto leyo. Lo muntu mangikhuluma ngaye ngihlezi ngimention ukuthi una-2 years edlala ku-professional setup, way more experienced than amanye ama-player laphana. I think ufana noVilakazi. uVilakazi second season yakhe. When Vilakazi was introduced ku-Kaizer Chiefs last season ku-professional setup, uVelebaye, he was introduced the previous season lapha ku-Cape Town Spurs, right? Bamzama khona. So iplayer nayo experience ku-professional setup bafethu, into eshiwo ucoach bangakhulumi nje kuphela ne-media, but they have to do their research nabo bebheke. Ungasho ukuthi una-19, so ukuthi una-19, una-2 years lo muntu ku-professional setup. This is his 3rd year kahle kahle ku-professional setup. So i-fairness mele ibe khona, ukhuluma into oyaziyo direct. There's nothing wrong umthatha umfana umbeke ku-DDC team, but don't make him a DDC team player like uThulani, Thulani, Touch Mabaso, Hlongwane, uNkwesa. Sesiyabona direct ukuthi abadlali i-DDC team, indaba yabo ne-first team okwamanje ayikho. So don't make that about uVelebaye ngoba una-19, no, uBatman ngoba una-19. So izinto abantu abazishoyo laphana ngoBatman bazama ukumprotect after ucoach eshow whatever he said ku-media. But at the same time khona lento le from esayidini lami yoku-understand ukuthi okay, bazama ukwenza kanje nakanje nakanje, but they have to be very calculative talking to the media about izinto zabo abadila nazo laphana internally ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I also wanna mention ukuthi uPeterson uyalida laphana kulokhunjana ku-Carling Knockout, le team le abayivotelayo overall. uPeterson unamavoti amaningi kakhulu bafethu, 'cause I saw izolo from SABC Sport ukuthi una 67,000 votes cabanga. Uye olidayo laphana, is by far the most trendiest umuntu abamvotela kakhulu. And then khona uNaledi Hlongwane naye laphana phambili uyalida because una 14,000 something votes. Abantu bayafuna ukumbona but ku-Kaizer Chiefs kunzinyana ukuthi adlale. And then what I like about the competition ukuthi banika abafana baku-DDC team even opportunity ukuthi badlale nama-senior players, cause siyababona abafana baku-DDC team bakhona. Even ongadlali laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, uSimphiwe Slepe naye ukhona, uNduli naye ukhona. Upaper 2 bafethu, uMfundo Vilakazi ukhona laphana. Ibhentshi-ke abalikhipha ukuthi obani abazoba khona ebhentshini, or in terms of ukuvota abakhona nabo ababacabangayo, because khona i-first starting 11 and then khona ibhentshi. Then-ke siyazi ukuthi kuzovotelwa-ke no-coach, or kuzowina u-coach ukuthi akwazi uku-coach-a i-team on the day. I think yeah, it's a great competition, but at the same time isibonisile ukuthi amanye amajito or abanye abafana abancane laphana bayabakhona kule competition lena ukuthi bayabavotela, but it's nothing come out of yona. Bayapromothwa lese bapromothwa ama-team wabo, but ithola ukuthi abadlali, but sibabonile kule game le ngoba bavotelwe abantu sinokubabona baphefoma kahle, but ama-teams wabo anokudicide otherwise. Cela ukuyibamba la bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. The most important thing uku-like and subscribe. Maybe drop a comment, but yeah, danko.